and transportation were also seized. A delegation of KSU Tyrsad Circle met Education Minister Lahkmen Rymbui on Tuesday and submitted a memorandum for setting up of colleges in the area. Speaking to reporters after meeting Rymbui, Banlumlang Rani, KSU Vice President Tyrsad Circle, said that there is an urgent need to set up arts, science and commerce colleges in the area. Rani said there is a need to set up colleges in the area as the students need not come to Shillong for higher studies. Rani said there are institutions only till class 12 in the area and hence there is a necessity for setting up of colleges to benefit the students.
People or our youth from our area, they don't need, if we have this college just there, they don't need to come to Shillong or to other area. We also want to seek the government to bring the degree colleges in our locality, though he does not guarantee us that he will bring this one or he will try to get this one, but he assures us that he will look into this matter.
And now here is the weather report.